In this video we'll just show you how we can complete the job and go through to the simulator. So what I've done is just gone through each one of those operations and just gone into the properties and made sure that they're active and visible so that they are included in the toolpath. Now the only thing which we haven't done is the roughing cut. So if we wanted a roughing cut, we'd need to make the step over bigger here, and we'd need to make the step down there. But that would be for a roughing cut. The finishing cut, the step over here in X and Y, is controlling the finishing of that. So if you want to create another operation, then you can simply cut and paste, copy and paste the pocketing operation and then change the parameters for a roughing cut. So when you're happy with that, then you just simply simulate. Okay, it produces the simulator data. We can accept all the defaults here. Click simulate. There's two main ways of viewing the simulator. Up here we have the focus buttons, so we can either have workpiece focus or we can have machine focus. If you switch on machine focus, then you see the complete machine tool, the housing and everything, and then you can use the right hand mouse button to pan, the left one to rotate, and the center button to zoom in and out. The video controls at the top here. This is the speed command of the simulation, and then we've got run, step forward, next operation, reset, and so on. So if we want to run that, we can do. So this is, as I say, just showing the finishing op. We didn't do a roughing operation just because it's does the same thing, but it just takes that much longer to calculate. So you can see how the pocketing operation can start at the outside and then go to the inside, so it takes alternative passes on each one of the contours or the sketches that it finds. Okay, so this is, now again I could put in different step downs here so that it was machining rather than doing it in a complete step. It was machining it in a step in different Z values, but that's just a question of changing it in the dialog box. So here comes the big tool around the outside of there. Okay, so that's done that job. If we switch to workpiece focus, then we don't see the machine tool, and then we can see more clearly what's happening. So as I say, the only thing that you need to go back on this job is just to sort out the the roughing and finishing on there, but that's all done, everything that we want it to do. Okay, so when we finish with the simulator, we close, takes us back to the simulation module. If we wanted to change any of the stock allowances, we can do by going to stock here and defining our own sizes, rather than letting the system build the stock from the extents. So then we're back into that job, we can post-process that, and then go in and save the file away and carry on with the next one.